From wild science comes the Secrets of the Pyramid Builders Kit. Explore the mysteries of the Egyptian civilization and the magical world of the Mayans. Dig and discover stunning museum-quality Mayan artifacts and find Egyptian treasures the grave robbers missed. There are hidden messages everywhere, but only you can crack the secrets. Follow ancient recipes to make replicas of 4 classic amulets from both civilizations. Paint and varnish them to look like the originals. Every item has a story and challenges in the beautifully written and illustrated booklet. Discover precious minerals like Mayan obsidian and Egyptian crystal alum. Explore ancient special effects as the eyes of the corn god follow you around the room. Discover how Egyptian chemists made muddy Nile water drinkable. Dye your special bandages with natural ingredients. And learn the ancient art of mummy wrapping. Did visitors from the future come to teach them to make reed boats, pyramids and more? Well, find out for yourself. The Secrets of the Pyramid Builders Kit. And remember, there's only one wild science.